So I have a secret. I am breaking up with Google Drive. I know it's been a while, and it has always been my go-to because, one, it was free and it was convenient, but we've hit a few bumps in the road, not once, not twice, but multiple times, and I'm finally ready to leave Google Drive for Sync.com. And I'm going to give you my top 5 reasons why I think you should move over too. First of all, there is a free option on Sync.com. And when you head over to Google, there is no free option at all to be had anywhere. And let's just go ahead and assume you have team members or you have someone you wanted to share this with. There is an amazing option on Sync for unlimited for just $15 a month. I don't even know why anyone would choose any other plan. And over on Google, they don't even have that as an option. The pricing is so high once you get to 10 terabytes, they don't even print it. You gotta just use it and then find out the pricing later. And I don't know about you, but I am not into surprise pricing, especially when you run a business and you need to budget and you need to plan, and you also may be a YouTuber like me and you just have a lot of space, so you can't be constrained by those things. Next, you can make it pretty. So if you head over to your account and you go to settings and then you go over to custom branding and you hit edit, you're gonna be able to make some edits. So you have a lot of options in here. You can upload your own logo, you can change the header bar color, you can change the text color, the buttons, and the link colors. So you can make it as pretty as you want. And of course, you can hit this reset to sync, and it will just set everything all the way back to blue again too, if that's what you want as well. Third, it has a better layout, which is way less spammy and less confusing than this Google sort of kind of graveyard of just confusing layouts and stuff going on. Whereas when I go into my Sync account, it's nice and clean. So when I head over here to the very top, I'm gonna see all of my Sync folders. And then over here, I'm going to see the vault, which is just private things that are stored in my hard drive just for me. So I have my meditation log. Also, it doesn't get shared all across my entire network, so I don't have to worry about anyone on my team seeing it. It's just on my hard drive. And then also starred in case there are some folders. As you grow and get more and more folders and pages of folders, you can star a couple things you want to see right away. And the best part is team shares. So normally when you share things on Google Drive over here, shared with me, it's just like you have a ton of stuff. You have no idea what's going on, what came where, and also you have no idea where you shared stuff. Whereas here, I can see exactly who I shared it with, this one user, and I can see who I gave links out to. So over here, I can see that I only gave one link out to somebody. And then also, what am I sharing externally? So I'm not sharing anything externally right now, but if I wanted to and I wanted to clean stuff up, it's much easier to do that inside of Sync.com. Fourth, they have magical links. All right, they're not called magical links by Sync.com, but that's what they are, and that's what I call them. So over here under sharing, you have links. And inside of here, if you hit those 3 dots on the right, you're gonna see link settings. Now, over here in this gearbox for link settings, you can set a password, you can give it a label, you can give it an expiration date, even down to the actual minute. Hello, countdown timers. You can actually give all of these different permissions. You can do notifications, comments. There are so many cool things that you can do with this share link. It's amazing, or rather magical. And fifth, and most important, there is unlimited data storage. And for YouTubers like me who take up a ton of storage space, this is key. Whereas with Google, you're capped. So that's a wrap on why I am switching from Google to Sync.com. Let's recap those top 5 reasons. The first was pricing. The second was the visual branding options. The third is they have a better layout. Fourth are magical links. And fifth is an unlimited storage plan. So check out Sync.com using my link below and you'll be glad you did.